On a busy industrial site, people, vehicles, and machines are constantly moving, often competing for the same space.
When these movements aren't coordinated, congestion, delays, and collision risks start building quietly.
viAct AI-powered event mapping changes that. It continuously tracks movement across people, vehicles, and machines, detecting risk events as they happen, not after incidents occur. By visualizing operations in 3D, safety teams can identify recurring risk locations like slip and trip-prone areas and high interaction zones within their real spatial context. Color-coded heat maps then reveal congestion patterns and high-risk interactions, helping redesign layouts and workflows based on how space is actually used. These insights update live, helping EHS teams redesign layouts, streamline workflows, and adapt to shift-based traffic changes. The outcome is measurable: lower exposure, stronger controls, and safer, more efficient industrial operations. Because when a space is understood, risk can be engineered out.